Hi friends, in this video we are solving first question in the centroid chapter. So I will read the question once. Locate the centroid of a area shown in the figure with respect to the Cartesian coordinate system shown. So in this figure a random geometrical plane is given to you, so which is located at first house of the Cartesian coordinate. So this one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. So in this figure you can't directly find out the centroid, so we need to subdivide this figure into uh, part of the simple geometrical figure like triangle, rectangulars and semicircle and all. So before that I will uh, uh, I will show you the some standard formula for the simple geometrical structure figures, simple geometrical planes. So if you take the rectangular, so it has width of A and the height of B. So the area of the rectangular becomes A into B. So similarly, for so we are skipping the isolysis triangle because for this case it doesn't apply. So I will directly move on to right angle triangle. So if you take the right angle triangle, the area of the right angle triangle is half base into height. That is, this one is the base and this one is the height. Now come to centroid. The centroid is nothing but this center point of the plane. So if you have a solid sphere here, so if you look at it, so I take a plane, one of its plane, so center of that plane is known as centroid. However, if I take whole solid sphere, so this point is at center of this box, so which is considered as center of gravity of solid, that is indicated by Cg. So centroid of the plane is indicated by G, centroid point. Okay, now come to the here the centroid point of plane for different rectangular different geometrical forms. So first, rectangular dimensions. So rectangular dimension is at a distance width by 2, that is A, that is from. So if I take, if I plot x and y axis to it, something like this. So if I plot x, this as x and this as y axis. So from the x axis, it is the centroid is at a distance of a by 2, that is nothing but width, half of the width. Similarly, in the y axis, it is at a distance of b by 2 here, b by 2, that is nothing but height. So in this direction, the uh, center of the rectangular is at b by 2. So now come to a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, so if you look at here, so the nearest is the is rectangle, is right angle. So you can see the right angle here. So for for right angle triangle, you need to take distance, centroid distance from the uh, rectangular right angle edges. So if I take here, so this one is the base and this one is the centroid. So it is at a distance of b by 3 from the starting point of the right angle edge, this one. So b by 3. Similarly, for in the y direction, that is nothing but the height of the right angle triangle. It is at a distance of h by 3 here, so it is h by 3. So the longer side becomes h minus h by 3. So h minus h by 3 is, the longer side becomes 2h by 3, because this whole length is h. So if I deduct by h by 3, I will get 2h by 3. So this one is the longer side. Similarly, for the width as well as in the height, so in the both direction it is same. That is nothing but the h by 3 from the right angle edge. So you can read here, from the vertex where right angle there is certain angle at a distance of 1 by 3 from one of this side, that is nothing but the right angle side. Okay, now move to this question. So if you look at this question, we can simplify this complex geometrical figure into simple geometrical by subdividing it to simple geometrical figure. So first one you can see. So if we extrapolate or interpolate its edges, so if I if I extrapolate this edge, it forms a right angle triangle. So I will call it as geometrical component 1. So if I extrapolate its edge, so I get a rectangle. So I call it as geometrical figure 2. So now if I extrapolate this edge here and join this to this triangle, sorry, this rectangular, or to the edge of this rectangular, so I get the geometrical component 3. And similarly the left one is this one, this geometrical component I call it as 4. So now let's find out the dimensions of the each component. So if you move to here for the first geometrical component, that is right angle triangle, so the base is nothing but 2 meter is the base of this component. It is 2 meter, and its height of this component 1 is 6 meter. So you can see here, so this 6 meter is from here to here, which is nothing but this distance. This is nothing but the height of this triangle, so that is nothing but 6 meter. Now come to geometrical component 2, that is nothing but rectangular. So width of the rectangular is 2 meter here, and the height of the rectangular is nothing but here to here height. So what is that height? 6 meter plus 1.5 meters. So that is nothing but the height of this rectangular 2 is 7.5 meter. So 7.5 meter. Now come to this third geometrical component. So it is also the rectangle triangle. So it has base width of 5 meter here to here. If I join this to this point, so it will becomes the width of this geometrical component, that is nothing but the right angle triangle. Now come to here, the height of this right angle triangle. So the height of the right angle triangle is here to here. So we know the whole dimension. So what is the height of the whole dimension is, sorry, here, sorry, up to here. So we know we need to find this. So we know the height of the whole segment. So what is that? So or else you can do another thing. So when we know this here to here dimension, that is 6 meter. So deduct that 6 meter from this dimension, that is nothing but 1 meter. So it is 1 meter. So if we deduct 6 minus 1, so we get 5 meter. 5 meter is the height, and the 5 meter is the base of the this right angle triangle geometrical component 3. Now come to fourth geometrical component, which is rectangular. So if you look at this, so it has height of 1 meter and width is from here to here. So there is nothing but 5 plus 1, 6 meters. So here to here dimension is 6 meters. So now we found the we first we have subdivided the complex geometrical figure into simple geometric shapes. So and we found the dimensions of the subdivided parts. So for the first geometrical component, that is right angle triangle, we found dimension as uh, base is 2 meter and height is 6 meters for the first geometrical component. Now come to second, which is rectangular of base width 2 meter, this one 2 meter, and height is 7.5 meter from here to here. And for the third geometrical component, that is right angle triangle, so we found the base width as here to here, that is nothing but a 5 meter base width, and height of the rectangular right angle triangle as also it is also 5 meter from here to here. And now move on to the last geometrical component, which is rectangular, so of width 6 meter from here to here, it is 6 meter, and height of 1 meter. So we will continue the further analysis of this question. Thank you.